Hello, this is Steve Motor Parts and Service Center, and I'm Eric Steve Tamo. How may I help you?
There's something wrong with my motorcycle.
And what is it, sir?
My rear brake is not working.
Okay, sir. This is what you need to do. Try to press down your brake, then tighten the nut of the adjuster of your brake.
Okay. I'm done.
So, is your brake work, sir?
Not yet.
So, sir, do you want to avail our service? We will send you a mechanic to repair your motorcycle, sir. You just need to tell me your location and name.
Okay, I take it. Wait for it. This is my location, Barangay Sanyat West, San Manuel, Isabela. Mapupukaw City, Marcos Street. And I'm John Aubrey Ramos.
Okay, sir. Wait for a couple of minutes. Our mechanic is on the way.
Thank you. So how much it is?
Well then, it depends on the damage of your motorcycle.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a nice day.